Well, the Indonesian Minister of Agriculture, Syahrul Yasin Limpo, led the first harvesting ceremony of the year at the central hub of Indonesia's rice production in the Karawang regency in West Java. Minister Yasin Limpo said that in its first harvest of the year, the 2,000-hectare-wide paddy fields in Karawang managed to produce 8 tons of rice per hectare. Based on data from the Indonesian Central Bureau of Statistics, by February this year, Indonesia will have a total of 1.4 million hectares of paddy fields, with a peak of harvest occurring in March until April. At that point, Indonesia is projected to produce up to 4 million tons of rice, or 6 tons per hectare on average. Indonesia's agriculture minister also reassured that only 2% of paddy fields in Indonesia have been affected by floods, which is well below the threshold.
Intinya sampai hari ini, katakanlah yang banjir, yang puso, hampir dikatakan sangat minim dan tidak capai titik yang pernah terjadi. Artinya masih di bawah 2% kalau toh itu ada. Oleh karena itu kita sangat pede semua menghasilkan. Dan khusus di Karawang ini tadi hasilnya di atas 8 ton per hektar. Yang biasanya 5, 6, paling banyak 6, 8 ton. Ini menggunakan impari 32. Ciherang juga seperti itu, hasilnya cukup bagus. Ini kami berharap para bupati dan tentu saja sampai camat, kepala desa, lurah harus berada di lapangan untuk terus menyemangati pertanian yang ada dan petani yang ada. Kita optimis hasil panen ini cukup maksimal untuk menjaga kebutuhan pangan.
Indonesia, where in the city of Malang, East Java, a homemaker was able to sell her clay-based crafts to the United States and to Europe, designing them based on celebrations, holidays, and famous characters.
Consistency and unyielding hard work is the key to success for a homemaker in the city of Malang, East Java. Rohmi Indrawati achieved success after being able to craft clay products that have penetrated the export market. She has been running her business since 2014, employing a dozen number of workers. She also runs the business from her house in Bunul Calvary Road in Malang City, making mini figures from clay as well as synthetic flour dough. In one day alone, her business is able to produce 150 pieces of mini clay figures. The business gets a variety of different types of orders, especially from people from outside of Indonesia. Many customers create custom orders that are based on religious holidays, current movie trends, and many popular items from the country. From the orders, 80% of the mini figurines created are international characters, while the other 20% is made up of local Indonesian shadow puppet characters. Rohmi's business catered towards customers in the United States, Australia, China, and a number of mainland European countries. However, due to the Russia-Ukraine war, the number of orders have significantly decreased.
Kalau untuk PPKM selama COVID kemarin itu justru tidak ada penurunan yang signifikan ya. Jadi justru penurunan order itu terjadi setelah masa PPKM selesai. Jadi tahun 2022 kemarin kami mendapatkan penurunan yang signifikan dikarenakan mungkin negara-negara di luar mulai resesi ya. Jadi kita justru mendapatkan dampak setelah pandemi selesai.
During normal conditions, Rohmi's business produces up to 5,000 to 6,000 pieces of figurines per month, but is currently down by 50% due to the global challenges. Despite all this, Rohmi continues to work, opening new marketing opportunities through a number of social media platforms, looking for potential new customers.